Feast your eyes on this, exploring an idiomatic expression. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that paints pictures with words. Feast your eyes on. This phrase is a colorful part of the English language, often used to draw attention to something visually striking or noteworthy. By understanding idioms like this, you can enrich your vocabulary and grasp the nuances of English expressions. Let's explore what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, "feast your eyes on," is used to invite someone to look at something with enjoyment or appreciation. It's a metaphorical way of saying that looking at something is as pleasurable as enjoying a delicious meal. This idiom is often used when someone wants to draw attention to something beautiful, impressive, or visually appealing. For example, if you're showing a friend a beautiful sunset, you might say, "Feast your eyes on that view." It's a way of highlighting the beauty of the scene and sharing your enthusiasm. Understanding the origins of idioms can be as fascinating as the expressions themselves. The phrase, "feast your eyes on," has been used in English for centuries, with its roots likely in the idea that seeing something beautiful can be as satisfying as a good meal. While the exact origin is hard to pinpoint, it reflects the long-standing human tradition of comparing visual delight to the enjoyment of food. Using this phrase is all about timing and context. Here are a few tips on how to use it effectively. Highlight something visually appealing. Use it when you want to draw someone's attention to something beautiful or impressive. Share your enthusiasm. It's a great way to express your excitement about what you're showing. Be descriptive. Pair it with vivid descriptions to enhance the visual experience you're inviting someone to share. For example, if you're showing someone a piece of art, you might say, "Feast your eyes on this masterpiece." The colors and details are simply stunning. English is rich with expressions that convey similar sentiments. Here are a few. Take a look at this. Check this out. Have a gander at this. More colloquial. Understanding these variations can help you choose the right expression for the right occasion, adding depth and variety to your language use. Feast your eyes on is more than just an invitation to look. It's a way to share joy, beauty, and appreciation. By incorporating this and similar expressions into your vocabulary, you can communicate more vividly and connect more deeply with your audience. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and that you're now ready to feast your eyes on the beauty of the English language. Thank you for joining us, and happy learning!